What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lopes and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install an RD1 JDM series spoiler. Alright, so here she is. It's in pretty good condition. It's not amazing. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install it now. And as you can see underneath, the paint looks absolutely fantastic. Well, not fantastic, but it looks pretty good. It's not too faded. The chrome is not horrible. It's oxidized a bit. But what my plan is, if you can see, the top of it is pretty faded out. And this is what happens with Honda paint over a long period of time, especially Milano red or the red that's been used on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to install it the way it is. You guys are gonna be like, why are you gonna do that? You should paint it first. Winter is on our door. It's almost here. Next week's gonna snow, so I'm gonna put this on before winter. I don't want to put something painted fresh on, and winter's coming and we'll be using snow brushes and all that and scratching it up. So my method is let's put it on, let's look badass in winter. And the good thing about it is the CRV's lifted, so you can't really see the top anyways, and underneath doesn't look horrible. Got some polish for the chrome part. I'm gonna see if that works a bit, and if it doesn't, it is what it is. It's still in pretty good condition considering the age and all the tabs and all the bolts and everything's still there, which is really good. So I'm excited to put this on. I think it's gonna really complement the CRV. Big Red is getting a booty upgrade and it's gonna look awesome. So let's get to it. As you guys can see, it's pretty faded up top, but we won't really see that because we got a bit of a lift in the rear anyways. And the chrome isn't in horrible condition. The good part about this is I don't have to do any drilling or anything. It's just going to be a plug and play because I bought this off Clean Street, and Clean Street was kind enough to give me this part also. If you see, it is pretty good condition. It's not rusting or anything. And let's put this down and let's go look at Big Red. And Big Red over here is rusting bad. So I'm very excited to removing this piece and replacing it with that. And also, if you guys want to support the channel, grab some Street Legacy gear, stickers, decals, all that type of stuff. I'm gonna put it right here, streetlegacy.ca. Go check that out. And then pretty much we're gonna replace this whole piece, which is a pretty easy install overall. So I'm super hyped about that. You guys did see our last video. We did struggle with the rear suspension, and we've got the lift in. We got the spacers in, and it's looking fantastic. Let me show you the other side too. Oh, there's the BRZ. You guys know I do have a BRZ also. And check out the lift on this side here. It is absolutely awesome. Went in great. We had quite a bit of struggles with suspension. A lot of things broke. Got brand new control arms from my buddy Brandon. He's absolutely awesome. He's hooked me up with a lot of stuff on the CRV. So we got some metal polish here. I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks. We'll try this area right here since it's pretty dull. Let's see how this reacts. I've never really tried. That was just a quick little run I did there. It definitely looks better. Once again, like, I think this is like some type of aluminum or like shiny type of plastic. So I don't know how well this is gonna work or if it's gonna oxidize. Don't try this. I'm actually just experimenting to see if it'll work. It's looking okay now. I'll give you guys an update afterwards, but so far so good. Check it out. It looks not bad. This works amazing, especially on like exhaust and all that type of stuff. I was curious to see how it would react with this, and it's not that bad. It looks better than it did before. This thing's doing absolute wonders. Check this corner out. I just did it very quickly and it was kind of oxidized like this, and I couldn't get these marks out. And as soon as I tried this, look at that corner. It basically looked like this. As you can see all those kind of like stains and everything. One attempt with this, look how much nicer this looks. God damn. She looks nice. Damn. This is hype. Honestly, this is an authentic JDM spoiler. I told you, it's gonna be a JDM overland build. We'll have some parts that are obviously not JDM, but I'm gonna try getting super cool parts for the CRV. If you guys are enjoying the content, like, comment, subscribe right now. Pause the video, just hit that subscribe button real quick. Let me finish polishing this. I'm so hyped to how like good that turned out. Holy shit. Definitely looks better than it did before. If your piece is like in pretty mint condition, I probably wouldn't do this because what it does is pretty much in the polishing compound, there's little things that basically scrub away at the surface. So if you have a good piece, don't do it. This definitely looks better than it did before. Check it out now. It's not perfect. From far, it looks great. but from close, it's not horrible, right? I'll probably still have to wipe some of the polish off. I can still kind of feel the residue on here, but honestly, it looks a lot better than it did before. We're gonna just clean this up a bit, just some water and detailing products, and then we'll get into installing. Hell yeah! I've disconnected all of this. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to pull this through. I'm not sure. This is the first time doing this, so I'm just disconnecting this side. And then this side, as you can see, I don't know if I have to, because this kind of comes around here. I don't know if it connects. I think I may have taken this out prematurely, but whatever. We're gonna take these two bolts out, 1 and 2, and we're gonna take those two out and see if this thing pops off. I believe they are 10 mil by the look of it. Hopefully they don't break. Wish me luck. Chick. Shoo-wee! These goddamn Canadian CRVs. Look at all this. Well, it's not horrible. These latches don't look the greatest, but that one's not too bad. Let's wipe her down and get the JDM one on. Bolts aren't in yet, but she looks good. The color's a bit off, obviously. On this back side, it looks actually really nice. Check that thing out. Honestly, it makes this look so much more cooler, so much more aggressive too. God dang. Now I'm going to put the nuts back in, tighten it up, try connecting it, and see how we can wire the brake light. I might have to tap into the original brake light, but we'll see. We'll get into it, but let's do it. I'm no wiring guru, but what I'm thinking is if I cut this plug off, connect to the OE third brake light, we'll go green to green, black to black, and I'll tap in further back here and kind of tap them in, solder it in, and then connect these. Essentially, it should work. And then I'm gonna have lots of brake lights pretty much in the rear, but no one should ever rear end me then. So I'm gonna try this. I'm not saying to do it yet, so don't go ahead and try doing it. You don't have much wiring here. That's my only concern, but I'm gonna try cut it. I'm gonna cut this like loom off, cut this a little further back, cut this plug and tap in green to green, black to black, and just plug her in. All right, there it is. It is done. So I actually had to get some more wiring to extend it because the wiring from the spoiler, this third brake light here, and this was just too short. So I extended the wiring probably by like 3 inches and basically tapped the original side here, and then what I did is tap the JDM brake light, the OE brake light, and the extension here as well. So it's all connected, black to black, green to green. Pretty simple stuff, guys. And then I'm just gonna probably tape this up just a little more. I might actually tape the whole thing. In worst case, I can tape it up, take it off to remove it if I have to, but I don't think I'll be taking this off. Once I'm done taping this up, I'm gonna put it back in the channel and then basically close it up and get some beauty shots of this thing. God damn! God damn, she looks good. I am so excited. It's so cool. That's an authentic JDM part. And what's nice about it is like that was in Japan on a CRV at one point in time. Isn't that nuts? It's crazy to think that spoiler was in Japan in the 2000s on JDM CRV. I find that nuts. So we're not done yet. I got something else to do. I'll show you. Last fit. I'm horrible with, pronouncing anything. Set up some lights. So I'm going to, I believe these are either brake or reverse on the CRV. So we're gonna test them out. put them in, and then these are for the headlights. I'm not gonna do these yet until we buy new headlights, which should be coming shortly. And since we're in this subject, I wanna do this since it's pretty easy anyways. Guys, I've been debating on what taillights to do. Should I keep these OE taillights? Should I do the candy cane, which is like the JDM ones, which is like white, red, white? Or should I do clear, like all clear, and then get the guards, like the black guards over here would look kind of cool too. It's a little different. The white doesn't look the best on red, especially on like a build like this, but I don't know if I can. I may be able to pull it off with those guards. Trying to be a little unique with the build. It's kind of hard because this car's been around for so long and it's tough to be unique. But let's take the taillight out. 1, 2, 3, 8 mils, super easy. Let's take it out and see where this actually goes. Pretty easy, 3 bolts and just kind of clips out. We're gonna have some nice bright reverse lights. We'll put this back in, plug this in. What's nice is these have built-in resistors and everything, which is really nice. It's a pretty nice quality bulb here. I will definitely link this all down below, and you guys can use one of my discount codes to save some money. Alexander's in there. Can't turn on. You gotta turn on the car.
Chris, I do not know how to push the start, okay?
There's no push. She's used to push the start. There, turn to your right. To your right. Oh my God, you're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me in front of all my friends. No, the other way, man. Just kidding. You're embarrassing me in front of all my friends on YouTube. Oh, wait, man. Look, look, look. Ready? This way, look. Why you go to the left?
Why?
You're spoiled. You've had push start your whole life.
Dude,
see,
I've been doing this.
I spoil her too much. I've given her.
Not turn it that way.
The other way. No. I've given you push start vehicles your whole life. This is. You're embarrassing me, man. You're embarrassing me. My wife's embarrassing me. Okay, put it in reverse, but don't reverse. Okay, woo! Check it out. It's nice and bright. Really nice, actually. Check that out. Goddamn. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single view. If you enjoyed this CRV content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got a lot more coming, more mods. And if you stuck to the end, I'll show you the mod very shortly. Peace out. Do it once, do it right, and later.
What?
This is the subframe. The front subframe is going to get done on Tuesday because it is rotting a bit, and this is a pretty nice one for Canada anyways. And what's nice is, looks like we have some new bushings here and an upgraded sway bar for the front. And we have not one, but we got 2 roof racks to put in, and then we have some more pod lights to put in the rear. So Big Red Bertha is gonna look ever so sexy.